Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you easy and quick prawns pulao recipe. It's a very simple recipe guys, with very few ingredients and which gets prepared very quickly. So let's get started. So guys, here I have taken around 500 grams of prawns. I have cleaned it. So guys, here I have taken 500 grams of prawns, washed and cleaned. Here I'm adding salt to it, turmeric powder, and some oil, a very little oil. So guys, here what I'm doing is I'm just burning the excess water which is there in the prawns. I'm just heating it so that the excess water evaporates. I do this because I don't like the smell of prawns. Normally whenever we make pulao or prawns curry, I have learned this from my mother. I always do is I just follow this one step, adding salt, turmeric and oil into prawns. I just try to burn the excess water which is there itself in the prawns. So now after that step guys, here we will start making pulao. So I have taken oil in a pan, adding cumin seeds to it. Then I will add bay leaf, yes, so here goes the bay leaf. Then will come black cardamom and cinnamon stick. So they are on their way. Okay, so black cardamom has come, cinnamon has gone. Okay, now we'll add 4 cloves, so here comes 4 cloves. And then we'll add some peppercorns, so here goes the peppercorns. Now the cumin seeds have started spluttering, so after that I have added onions, after adding onions I have added chilies. So here I have added 4 green chilies which I have cut into half, and then I have just slit it from between. So we'll fry the onions and chilies and the whole garam masalas. We will not make the onions too brownish. So I have added ginger garlic paste. So we will fry it for a while till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is gone, and then we'll add prawns. Now we will add the dry masala powder. So we will add red chili powder as per your taste, guys. If you like to eat spicy, you can add more. If you like to eat less spicy, you can add less. Then garam masala I have added, and salt and some turmeric powder I will add. So this is it, guys. Here this is optional, but I am adding chicken stock powder to make it a bit, spicy, chatpata we say. So I'm just adding the chicken stock powder to give it more taste, because in this prawns pulao there are no much masalas going in, so just if you want, you can add chicken stock powder as well. So after this I am adding one medium-sized tomato which is chopped. We will fry it for a while, and then I will add this washed and chopped coriander leaves. So all this goes in. So colorful, it's looking, wow. Now here is the rice, guys, which I had soaked for an hour. So I have taken 400 grams of rice. So approximately like 2 cups. I will mix it. Now to this, guys, I will add 500 ml of water. Okay guys, so the water is added. Now I will cover this and let it cook till the water dries up a bit. I will cook it on low medium flame, and after that I will keep it on tawa and I will let it cook on low flame till the rice is completely cooked. And guys, the prawns pulao is ready within few minutes. It looks so yum. See, the color is looking so beautiful. See guys, and the rice is also cooked very well and it's not too sticky. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know if you liked it. Yay! So the prawns pulao is ready, guys, in no time. Give it a thumbs up, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.